Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable news notifications in X. Stay informed and up to date with the latest news and sports updates right at your fingertips. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app opens, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll have control over the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, enable News Sports. This will ensure that you receive notifications specifically related to news and sports updates, keeping you informed and in touch with the latest happenings. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled news notifications in X, allowing you to stay updated on the latest news and sports developments conveniently. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy staying informed with the news notifications in X.